going on, y'all? Today I'm gonna show y'all my hunting rig I got set up for hunting for this season. Fishing, it's all around. It's '06 cat eye. It's got a camper shell put on the back with this one. Blackout 10 on it. A bit old. Up the side here I got my little sandals when I'm chilling fishing. It's summertime right now. Got my little toilet right here, keep trash bags in and everything when I'm all, out there in the woods, whatever. I got a heater right there for the winter time. Got my little storage container. Got my little water thing. Got my machete over there chopping down bushes. Got my little cot back here. Got my fishing pack up under here, stove, chair, little mat in case I want to do a little hiking or whatever. Then I got right here a little box for my fishing setup to show y'all the whole thing up in here. Try to keep it neatly organized. Got some fishing reels over there. Got some more fishing baits right here. And then I go up for salt water in case I come across salt water. Got my son a little beach ball up in here for him, just in case. Little sink right here. Not sink, but a little kitchen setup, just a little Walmart. Let me get it, pull it out right here. This little Ozark Trail. This little Ozark Trail, it's brand new. My hood got messed up, so I just went on and got this one right here. Got it up in here. Got my little chair right there, and let me move this cot out of the way. I'll show y'all my little kitchen setup. I just went ahead on and got everything for this truck new. This is set up. Got me some plates, a little bowl, spoon, utensils, a little cooking setup, a cooking ware. Got that in there just in case bugs want to try me. Got my little cup from coffee. It's an attachment for that. I got my little quick burner somewhere, I believe, up in that other storage container up there. I got. Slide this back. Alright, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm doing this one-handed. Alright. Move on. I'll hop up in here and show y'all what else up in there. Alright. Over here, got my little light set up. Got my little storage bag right there. Got some air freshener down there. Got my, that's my light fit. Got me a little hiking / survival backpack, whatever. Just in case. Like I said, I had the little roll up mat. Got a bladder right here. I bought this one new as well. For when I get purified some water, put it in there. I keep it in the truck in case I'm sleeping and want to get some water. Guys, see I got a little torch over there for fire. Right here, my old work. I used to work at Life Vest. Got a little heater right here up in this little storage container. I got just some tissue. Got a tarp up in here. I still ain't used it. Got a knife sharpener. Got a kickstart battery thing. Got a. Let me take all this out so y'all can see. Knife sharpener. Got me a little. Right here's a little tool set. This was just a small little tool set, nothing major. I got a little jump starter thing for my truck on my phone to charge it. Got a flat kit. Got a level in here so I can level the truck off. If I'm gonna be here a while. Got another knife up in here. Here got my quick little burner. Level propane's in the house and everything. Got my thermostat. And I got a flashlight right here beside me. A pair of pliers, just never know when I have to use them. Machete over there in the corner. I don't know what that was. Anyway, it ain't too bad up in there. A little bit of space. Got a little fan right there. I'm gonna end up running some power. Don't know where I'm gonna put the outlets at. Probably up here by my head where I can charge my phone. Have my little light done because I'm tired of buying batteries. Oh, this was set up right here. I'm tired of buying batteries for that. My little reel set up. The only thing I really too much got left to do is just basically just find a way to scrap everything in for when I'm driving. Other than that, that's my little camping setup. Hope y'all enjoy.